Hey Jaguars, welcome to Counselor Connection. This is Mrs. Mann inviting you to join me in our feeling exploration room today. You know, feelings can sometimes be small, and other times they can be huge, like a T-Rex. You know, it's important when feelings visit us that we choose to control them instead of them controlling us. So let's take a look at our room and let me show you places to click on to lead you to some helpful information about feelings. First, I'd like for you to click on the How Are You Feeling poster to learn why we do have feelings. And then next, I'd like for you to watch from the movie Inside Out and see if you can figure out what the characters might be feeling. Then let's move to the yellow drawer. This is a reminder of how to use the Jefferson I Can hand. Our Jaguar family is learning skills to help us to lead when those strong feelings visit us. Remember to pause, breathe, focus, move, and seek support if needed. Next, let's visit the Breathe drawer and learn another breathing technique. The Match the Emotions is a fun activity to learn about feelings in different situations. Now look for the Hand poster and find ways to help you when strong feelings visit. The All About You drawer gives you the opportunity to share a little bit about you and what's important to you. You are welcome to print it off and complete it. If you would like me to see it, you may turn it in with your weekly work, or you can take a pic and send it to me. You may also want to share your answers with someone in your home, which would be a great choice too. Also, Jaguars, I have a corner over here that says Parents Click Here, and that takes them to a place to let them learn a little bit about feelings too. You know, Jaguars, remember that we all experience small and big feelings. But what is most important is we choose to control them when they visit. Enjoy exploring today.